Bitcoin broke out of the falling wedge formation right here, like we basically have been talking in the previous videos. Guys, right now I'm going to talk a little bit what we can expect for Bitcoin in the not so distant future, what patterns we basically have to watch during this formation, and when we should be getting a little bit more careful. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Of course, if you appreciate me making these videos, make sure to smash up the thumbs up button, guys. That is very much appreciated, and let's do it like this now and then. Would be awesome, because when everybody just smash up the like button, the video is being pushed to a broader audience, which is helping me and my channel and bringing out my message to a broader audience, which is also better for everybody, of course. So that would be highly appreciated. And okay, before we are jumping into Bitcoin, I quickly want to go over the Whale Portal Twitter. We have been sharing a lot of valuable information right here. For example, this chart, which I'm going to go over in today's video as well, we have been sharing over on Twitter. Also, we got nice buying signals right at the bottom before Bitcoin did that rally of roughly 10%, and all those buy signals got shared over on Whale Portal. We also talked right here about the divergences going on, but yeah, that I also talked about in my videos. I got a comment today, guys, people saying like, hey, why don't you create a video, why you are sending us to Twitter basically. And yeah, that is basically because right now at this specific moment I have so many things to do. We are working very hard on this dashboard for you guys. They're coming an update very soon. I have just a lot of things to do at this specific moment, and I also don't think it is necessary for me to create every single day a video to lead you guys through the price action. I think it's actually more valuable for me if I can create better videos for you, more detailed reports about what's happening, and just post less frequently, but the content that I'm posting is going to be very, very important, similar as the video from the 16-year cycle, which actually did very well. Thank you all for the engagement on that video, guys. Was really good video. If you haven't seen it, you have to make sure to watch that video. It's super important video. But I want to make more videos like that, like a video everybody need to see, and not a everyday video where we are zooming in on the 1 hour time frame all the time. It can also be nice, and I understand you guys would like daily videos, but just because I have my hands full right now with other projects which are also crypto based, of course, it is very important to follow me everywhere. Follow me on Twitter, follow Whale Portal on Twitter, have the notifications turned on YouTube, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, because when I upload less frequently, you won't get a notification. That's how it works. That's also why my channel has way less views right now than before. That's basically because the frequency of uploading is just lower, and the algorithm also reacts on that and doesn't give people the notification anymore who doesn't have that on their channel. So that's very important. Now let's dive into the Bitcoin price action. And we had a nice falling wedge formation right here. If I bring out the momentum indicators, we had bullish divergences. So we got lower lows on the price, higher lows, relative strength index, and the MACD. What I've said is, as long as we can hold this support level, we most likely get a breakout to the upside. Well, that breakout came out actually quite quickly. We also were talking about the 60-day cycle, which came in here, which means that this most likely was a bottom in the Bitcoin price. Definitely a nice bottom. Instead of right here, instead of the 11th of September, we got it a little bit earlier. That is completely fine. Are we out of the woods yet? Well, that is definitely not, because if you look at this structure over here, there is a possibility that we're still going to see like a bounce, but eventually turn around and get in the next 60-day cycle, day cycle bottom, we can get a low again. And that low can be this low from this horizontal support at 18.6k roughly, but it can also be that we are breaking below and then setting a lower low. This is something I want to analyze more detailed in the coming videos. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and of course hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload those new videos. But this is roughly what I'm expecting or anticipating on with Bitcoin. There's another possibility. We also could be forming a W formation that looks as follow. We enter like this. We form a W formation like that, and then we can break the neckline. That would be at 24.5k. That is the neckline. Then we have a W formation. That is a potential reversal pattern. The target of a W formation is from the resistance till the support. Let's take it like that. Put at the point of breakout. That would be a target of $32,000 US. So if we were to break 24,500, we could reach 32,500. So that is another thing that I'm watching. But right now, Bitcoin definitely appears to go up in the short term time frame, but we have to see how Bitcoin is reacting at certain levels. And I want to zoom in on some levels. I want to give you some levels which you have to watch basically right now in the not so distant future. The first level is going to be right here. That is going to be 21,000 US dollars, which we actually tapping right now. The next level to watch is going to be 23,000. Actually is going to be a very important one, but I think we can actually make a zone out of this that is better. We got 23,000 coming down all the way to 23,700. 22,700. My apologies, guys. And let's find for some confluence with the Fibonacci retracement tool. So we take the top and the bottom, and then we can already see that there's confluence right here with the 61.80%, slightly below that support zone. So maybe it's even better to extend that support zone a little bit, because the 61.80% is very significant. 22,650. If we can break above 21,000 US dollars right here, which it looks like that we can do, I think the next level to watch is 22,650, of course, because it's 61.80%. But it's this zone, so it's going to be this zone. If we break this level and afterwards lose this level again, guys, this is the moment you want to stop that long position that you might have opened at the support because of the buy signals, or at the breakout, like we've discussed in my previous video, where I exactly told you you can either long at the support right here, or you can long at the breakout. You could long a retest, but that is always the question, whether we get that retest or not. Right now, we're not sure. At least we haven't seen it so far. But yeah, the two trade options that I shared with you, are both actually in profit. If you would have trade from support, then you would be up right now roughly 10%. Well, with a couple of X leverage, that definitely adds up these 10% moves. So that is quite nice. If you want to trade Bitcoin, of course, and you don't have an account over yet on one of these exchanges, make sure to look below this video. I got all my affiliate links where you can get an additional bonus if you sign up to these videos, and eventually you will get you'll be able to get some extra futures on Wheel Portal as well if you can share your user ID which you signed up with the links down below. So guys, this is basically what I'm watching with Bitcoin right now. We get a bounce in the short term time frame. These are the levels that I'm watching: 21,000, 22,650, 22,700. If we break above that level, we have the top of the range right here at 24.4k. That is directly the neckline of the W formation. But yeah, honestly, I think the chances right now is higher that we're gonna see something like this, and we still come back to the lows and maybe complete this Wyckoff accumulation period, but maybe with quite a significant drop right here. I do think that there might be a possibility that we still see a massive shakeout. So yeah, that is always something you got to take into consideration. This is just something to anticipate on in the midterm perspective. Right now, Bitcoin is going up. Yes, we're all very optimistic. I've been sharing that over on my YouTube and Twitter and so on. But yeah, I do want to remain cautious right here. We still trade in a sideways range, so chances that we roll over eventually is definitely higher for now. If we break that neckline, then yeah, we can see some different pattern playing out, and we might see a reversal pattern instead of a Wyckoff accumulation period. But given the time where the markets right now is in, it makes sense for Bitcoin to to have a longer period of accumulation going on before we can see a nice decisive breakout to the upside, which is also more bullish. The longer the accumulation period, the more explosive the move to the upside is going to be. Guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to smash up that like button. That is very much appreciated. I hope to see all of you in the next video, and I wish you a great weekend. Bye bye.